Going to unboxing Peps spring mattress bed. It is 10-inch bonal spring mattress bed. I bought this one from Amazon. They are delivered it within 3 days. This bed have 75-inch length, 72-inch width and 10-inch height. It is king size bed and its model name is Caspia. Especially its packing is very good, so no damages found in shipping period. Today, price of this bed is 18,500 in Amazon. MRP rate of this bed is 28,000. Company give 2 pillows free with this bed. You can see its spring is working perfectly. Peps have 4-star rating in Amazon out of 5. But in Flipkart, Peps showing 4.2 rating. In this date, its price is same Amazon and Flipkart. This is layers of our spring mattress bed. It have total 8 layer. We can use both side of bed. Its pillows are very soft and found good quality. If you want to buy any spring mattress bed, I am sharing some information about the spring mattress bed from my little knowledge. Different types of spring mattress beds are available in market. Bonal spring and pocket spring. Inside of this bed is bonal spring. This is the structure of bonal spring mattress bed and it is structure of pocket spring mattress bed. You can see independent springs are functioning in pocket spring mattress bed, so it reduces shaking of bed. This type of bed is better than bonal spring mattress bed, but this type of beds are very expensive. I will show you Peps pocket spring mattress bed. Right. This bonal spring mattress bed is medium firm bed. What is medium firm? I will show you guys. This is comfort level of beds. Soft, medium firm and firm. How can we recognize before buying? Our bed is which firm? Flipkart or Amazon. Go to details and check comfort level of your bed. You can see my bed is medium firm. This is firm level of Peps Caspia bed. Going to left side, its softness level is increasing. Different bed have different kind of comfort level. This MR bed is 4 to 5 medium soft bed. Let me check it in Flipkart. We can see its comfort level is medium soft. I think it is also good bed. It have 4.3 rating in Amazon. I am like this bed. Using this bed about 1 week. No back pain found after sleeping this one. Taking measurement of its height. You can see it's correct 10-inch. Its spring is good quality. I am sleeping well on this bed. Some people like medium soft bed. Some people like medium firm bed. If you are a heavy person, you must choose medium firm bed. Otherwise, you can choose your own decision. Medium soft beds are softer than medium firm bed. This bed have 5-year warranty. I think you can understand little knowledge about bed by watching this video. Thank you guys.